first coin of 2017 is a Victoria penny. No idea the date, but we'll see it when we get home. Sweet! That's awesome. Oh, there goes my glove. Ah. Okay, save that. Nice. There's Wanda. I didn't find much, but she got lots of stuff.
Not lots.
Gold and silver? Yeah, that's lots. And look, she's got the X-Cal and the Stavascoop and a big old smile on her face. Oh, yay for us.
Time to go home. It's wet.
It is. And it's January 1st. Happy New Year, everybody. Okay, don't say anything at all.
Happy New Year!
Hooray! She's happy for everybody.
We're on the beach again this morning. It's cold, -5 or something. It's not so bad, but my first find of the day that's decent. We'll dig up some bullets. It was a 1960 silver dime. Yay! That's cool. That's awesome.
This is looking good. See that? Another large penny. And right here, the dime.
Look at that. I just got looks like a little toe ring. It's a ring. Nothing fancy. But that's cool. Sun come up. Starting to get a little warmer.
Looks like another big penny. And it is. Neat. That's the date on it. 1918. So it's 99 years old. That's cool. You can tell the temperature is dropping. It's getting harder to push the detector through the ice. It was just slush when I first got here, and now it's worthy ice. I can just do this on the top, but I'll miss a bit. Oh, look, there's something right there. See, I was able to just push it through. Now that ain't happening. Yeah, looks like closer to shore for me. First silver coin of the year, January 2nd. The sun is just coming up. It looks like a 1900 fish scale nickel. It's hard to get a picture of it because it's all black. They're so tiny. Neat though. It's hard to even wash it because you have to break through the ice. Neat. Okay, I'm happy with that. This is interesting. Look at that. It's on a chain, but I have no idea what it is that's on the chain. came out of this hole. Let's see if we can give it a little washy wash. Oh, it's like a lion. Look at that. A lion face, and this is what? Something. Oh, maybe that's another lion face. It's just squished. 2 lion faces on a chain. Yeah, that's friggin' useful. It's like a cloak clasp or something. Most interesting thing I found in quite a while. Put it in the cool bag. Let's see what else we can get. That's neat. I found a really big fish hook. This hunt is brought to you by the letter J. Look, Wanda, I found a J. It is 1944 wheat penny. That's neat. Nice shape too. As in nice shape, I can read the date. Nice shape. Goodness. There goes Wanda. I'm exhausted.
Well, I've been digging a hole out of nothing. I moved to a different spot. Oh, look at that. I don't know if it's gold, or if it's just like brass or something. Very tiny, tiny little ring. Nice. Awesome.
Another penny. It's not big though. And it's the young queen. So, 1962. That's neat. See the new pouch I got? Isn't that cool? Wanda made it for me. It's got my keeper thing here, and a great big pocket, and a zippery pocket. It's awesome.
I just found a spoon. Who doesn't love finding spoons? It's like an older type, but I don't see any markings on it. I'll have a better look when we get home. I got a spoon, yay!
This is pretty neat. It's a musket ball. It's a big one too. That would hurt. Neato. Look at that. I got a Christmas bell. That's neat. Never found a bell before. Cool. Here's the stuff we got after 2 days of hunting. 2 days of hunting. Well, this here's the stuff that Wanda found, but she made a video yesterday and there's really not enough there to make another video. There's bullets and bullet casings and fishing weights, a harmonica reed.
And look how tiny.
Look how tiny she's finding this stuff.
That is.
Amazing.
Aww.
She found a spoon. It's a silver plated spoon. And she found this little brass ring, this little silver toe ring, this silver dime. Harmonica
And a silver
reed.
dime. That's a 1960s silver dime. That's important.
Yeah.
I find important stuff.
And I found this stuff. See, turtle feet. I found this thing, this hook thing. That's cool. And I found this bell. Bell is cool. And I found this cloak clasp. Look at that. They're like lions. They're sad lions. This lion is really sad because he's all squished up. He got his face squished. But who knows where that's coming from. And that's all for the stuff. The stuff was pretty cool, actually. There's a big old musket ball. That would hurt getting hit with that. And the coins. Here's the coins I found. This looks like a washer, but I'm not quite sure. First coin of the year was this, 1864 New Brunswick penny. Isn't that awesome? I found a couple other pennies, 1918, 1913. And I got this 1919 fish scale nickel. First silver coin of the year, and it's awesome. Although you can't really see much on it because it's all dark. But you'll have to take my word for that one. Can I get some sort of anything? Anything? Bueller? No, it's a black disc. But it's pretty cool. And you get, bits of can and stuff and dirt. Lots of dirt. Okay, now it can go away. Hooray!
Hooray!
Okay, that might be the last hunt for a couple months if it freezes over.
You should show.
What should I show?
Well, you showed this,
Yeah.
but ask if anyone knows.
Oh yeah, what it is.
What they're from. We know it's a cloak clasp, and we know they made reproductions, but we're wondering.
Were we to Northport Beach?
Okay.
And if anyone knows what this is, we know it's a cloak clasp, and that there are reproductions made, but we have been looking on the internet and we can't find what it's originally from or what date the original would be from. Looks Roman.
Yeah, it was when the Roman centurions invaded Nova Scotia.
We know it's not.
Maybe it's off of Spurius's cloak. Maybe he went swimming.
But we're wondering if anyone knows any information on that. That'd be cool.
There's Thomas. I got rid of him quick.